there, I am Chris Palmer, and in today's video, what I'd love to share with you is an update to the Google Business Profile, where they're finally adding in the ability to go ahead and directly connect your social media profiles. And if you don't watch any other piece of this video, yes, it is highly recommended that you do so, but I do feel that it's going to be in your best interest to go ahead and utilize these social media profiles that you utilize the most. If you're on Facebook and you have Messenger and you're going to get messages from your potential clients, then go with Facebook. If you're on Twitter every single day and you're inside of the Messenger and you can get messages from potential clients or customers, then add Twitter. If you're on both, great, add them. If you have a YouTube channel where you have tons of videos and information about your brand, your business or service, then of course add YouTube. But at the end of the day, you want to have as many modes of communication as possible. Why? Because just because you might not like Facebook, or you might not like Twitter, or you might not like YouTube, some of your customers might. And you want to have the ability to reach as many people as possible. Let me go ahead and share this with you so you know exactly what I'm talking about and how you can add the social profiles to your Google Business Profile. But before I do, please take the time to check out chrispalmermarketing.com. If you need optimization for your Google Business Profile, consulting, or any service, we definitely have you covered at chrispalmermarketing.com. With that being said, let's go ahead and let me point this out for you. All right, this is just a profile, a random profile. And if you remember, it used to be very difficult inside of your business. If you recall, you would have your business and you would take care of your optimization. You'd get your primary keywords in the name. You'd get your categories optimized, but it would be extra trouble. It would take extra work to get your profiles to be showcased, just like this. See how the profiles for this particular business, the Facebook profile is popping out? Now, with Google Business Profile giving us the ability to just add it, it makes it even easier for us. So let me share with you inside of a live profile where you can add this in. So if you hop over here with me, I will take you inside of a Google Business Profile. And what you will want to do is type in your business name. When you type inside of your Google business's name, inside of the Google search bar, if you're inside your actual Gmail where the business is housed, you'll be brought to a screen that looks identical to this. Of course, it'll be a different business. The next step that you will want to do is click on Edit Profile, as you can see right here. So you'll click Edit Profile. When you click on Edit Profile, you'll have the same layout, except there'll be an added feature, which is Add Social Profiles. Excellent, right? So here's what we're going to do. We'll scroll on down the page here. We have our name, business category, your description, opening date, contact phone number, website, and ding, 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 we have social profiles. Go ahead and click on Add. And what you'll want to do is each of the profile URLs that you have, not this share link, the actual URL, the website URL, whether it's with www or not with www, put the actual profile, not the at or the share link, the actual profile. Put it inside of here, just like this. So if we have this business here, we'll click this, right? We'll come over here, we'll search for it, like this. Watch, I'll share with you in a second. Bear with me. And what we're looking for, all in text, colon. Oh, I don't even need to do that. I'll just do this. Instead, I'll put it in quotation marks. And what should pop up is the business profile. So here's our Facebook. Perfect. We'll right click, copy link address. We'll come back into our business profile, go to Facebook, and we'll add that specific URL. Next, what we'll do is we have Yelp. We're not going to add that, Better Business, but here's the LinkedIn profile. So let's right click, copy the business address or the LinkedIn address, add profile, go to LinkedIn, right? Scroll down the list here. Let's take a look. Let's see if there's a YouTube. Okay, Musto Tax Services. So what I'll do is I'll click on the actual video. Okay. And we'll see if it's actually on YouTube, which I'm not sure in this case if it is. So we'll come back over here. Let me see if this video is on YouTube. View page source, and no, this is an actual embedded page. So I was looking for YouTube, I was looking for Facebook, I brought in the main profiles that were showing up underneath the business's name, and I got the actual URL, not the short URL, the URL that Google's rewarding. That's the exact URL that we want to put in here so the business owner can be rewarded with that social profile. So that's going to be it. Now we have the ability to add social profiles to the Google Business Profile. Absolutely phenomenal. This is going to be very typical to see. I just did this for another client. It's going to take time. It takes a second to be reviewed. Add in your profiles. It's only going to help you. It's only going to give you the ability to communicate with more customers potentially. My name is Chris Palmer with Chris Palmer Marketing, and I cannot wait to see you in the next Google Business Profile, how to optimize for your social media profiles video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.